recording me again? Nigga?
Gotta get the zip more.
No, let's do this. Lyrically, you niggas don't wanna with me. Don't let on wanna with me. Don't really wanna with me. And my social niggas see me. My social niggas see me. The social never see me. Lyrically, you niggas don't wanna with me. No, they don't wanna with me. Don't really wanna with me. And my social niggas see me. My social niggas see me. Huh? Somebody tell these motherfuckers I'm the undisputed champion the ball, champions I couldn't lose it. Ain't nobody that can do it quite the way I do it. King Kane reigns supreme and shall forever rule it. When the devil let me off his fucking leash, the lyrical beast, the priest, the streets, and thieves. Wax rappers are the entree. You may be feeling like you can say you was better, but you know your fucking rhymes ain't. Find great inside of you, QC. That's the boss, 5 Smoky, Tez, me, and RT. The best in KC. You can like it or not. You niggas can hold the crown of the mic when we stop. So start praying for a better day. Or better yet, grab your motherfucking shoulder, dig a grave, and prepare to lay. And be it for vendetta, A. Picture hell strong with me sitting in the devil's place. Lyrically, you niggas don't know. I got a third verse, nigga, so it's gonna be me and me. That nigga getting already. I told him 15 seconds. I know this nigga.
I hope you know this nigga. He be at the Auto Family reunion. Nah.
You bring him around because he's gonna suck some dick.
Feeling the beat.
You gonna suck some dick? I got some dick.
Hey.
That nigga about to write right now. I told you.
Hollywood status, but I'm not an actor. RT, the gun, nothing is fit to stature. You know I come, rhymes galore. Probably going to the tour, fucking some whores. You know I do it. Man, this rhyme is stupid, like a slow kid. But listen, it's just music. Know that I compute it. And I'm computer literate. No, it is a genesis that we about to begin. Coming through, I'm gonna sin, but that's okay, I'll be forgiven. RT the Don is living within. I'm skin deep, and these niggas gotta know I will creep. Hey, the 816, you know I won't speak nothing less, and I come through respected to check it. Know that my vendetta is a motherfucking guest list, and these niggas gotta know that I had to hit them up. Come through this bitch, and you know I'm gonna have to hit them up. Hey, not lost for words, but thinking of some more. I know that sounds absurd, but what can I say? The bird is the word, nigga. Bird is the word.
Nigga, you messed up my third verse, nigga. I was at work, nigga. You came in my cubicle, man.
Nigga, you're fired.
No, nigga, get out of there.
If I'm fired, I'll get rehired. If I'm still gonna retire,
We're not taking applications anymore.
Don't you fuck with me.
I'm gonna have them like a wire.